I have 5 leche flan with calabasa because I ate one of them and it was so yummy. Today we're going to make leche flan with calabasa. And these are the ingredients. We're gonna put 1 cup of white sugar here. To make the caramel. It's right here. And then we're gonna put it here. Guys, I decide to add 1 more tablespoon of sugar because I see that it's not enough caramel for that 1 cup. See, I think this is better. Gonna start with the egg. Okay, let's start making it. 5 eggs goes to the blender. Blend it. Evaporated milk. Condensed milk. Mashed calabasa. Vanilla. One tablespoon of vanilla. I also wanna put a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Like this. We're gonna turn it on. And now we're going to strain it. So let's start with this one halfway first. Now we're gonna add a little bit more in its container, like 2/3. Like that. The water is starting to boil now, so I'm gonna get it ready. First, I'm gonna put this one carefully because the water is kind of hot. Put it also on top of the other one right here, like that. Then I'm gonna put the cover. There, it's set. So we're gonna cook it for 20 to 30 minutes. It's time to check the leche flan calabasa. It's 30 minutes now. Let's see what they look like. Wow. Let me show you on the other side. Right here. Let me poke it. It's cooked inside. It's still wet, so it's not cooked yet. But this is what it looked like. See the steam? Alright, put the cover. It was still a little bit wet. Maybe another 10 or 15 minutes. We'll be back. Okay? Now let's go check my leche flan calabasa. They've been cooking like 1 hour and 10 minutes. Honey,
What?
were you doing something again?
No, I was putting my thing.
I know you. Let's poke it. Cover your face. They're done. I'm gonna turn it off now. Okay. Wow. So soft. This one is for me. My first bite. It's so yummy, creamy, soft, and not too sweet. I think I'm gonna eat the whole thing. Mmm. Mmm. Okay, you guys. I hope you enjoy watching my leche flan calabasa. I wish you're here to taste it. It's really good. Okay, until next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.